us, putting all our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this wrong.
Hey friends, it's Kivia. Thanks for coming back for another video, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I will be putting together a few Billy bookcases. I have two white ones that's going to go in my pantry, and I also have a blue one that's going to go in the laundry room. I won't be putting them in the areas today because I have not gotten started on those areas yet, but I just wanted to put them together. I also will be deep cleaning our bed. It is in desperate need of a deep clean, so you guys will see that later on in the video. But let's get started.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees the stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know?
I did mess up when I was nailing the backing in. I went through the backing instead of going through that wood board that you see in the middle there. But I think I can live with it. The OCD and perfectionist in me, it was definitely getting to me. But I mentioned before that I'm trying to learn how to leave well enough alone and don't let little things like that get to me, so I continue to move on. All right, so here I am testing things out. I did recently switch out all of my jars in my pantry. I'll make sure I link my previous video down in the description box below. I purposely put the labels on here because I knew this is how I wanted them to sit, but I am liking this look. Okay, here we are the next day, and I'm going to be putting together the blue Billy bookcase, and this is pretty simple. This one do come with doors, and I love it because it does match the washer and dryer. We recently got a new washer and dryer, and this matte blue matches that perfectly. If you are new here, we don't have a linen closet. Well, we have one linen closet in our house, so I'm using our laundry room pretty much as the storage that we need and to put all of the items that I don't have a space for. Also, when it comes to IKEA furniture, if you've never purchased IKEA furniture before, you might be a little bit frustrated because it's not written directions, it's pictures. I'm okay with that because I'm a visual person, but if you are someone that likes to read instructions, then this is definitely not for you. But I made sure I paid attention when putting together this one. I did miss a step on the previous one, so I kind of messed up, but it was pretty easy to put together. All right, the last thing I wanted to do in this video is clean our bed. We do have a velvet tufted headboard and it does get pretty dusty. We've had this bed for about 2 years now. I purchased it from Wayfair. I try to vacuum it periodically as much as I can. I haven't done it in a while and I've noticed a tremendous amount of dust that has accumulated on here. So I'm constantly sneezing along with the pollen that has already started falling here in Georgia. So I really want to get this taken care of and get my allergies under control. And this is a pretty good machine if you have certain material furniture in your house. It does work really well. And this is the room right here. It wasn't too bad. I was doing some editing. I was washing the sheets as well. So here you can see the dust. I ran my hand across it, so it really piled up. But I'm going to get this taken care of. I'm just going to vacuum off the dust particles first, and then I'll go ahead and start cleaning it.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She can tell you the things you want.
Alright, if you made it this far in the video, it lets me know that you are enjoying my content, so leave me a bed emoji down in the comments below. Also, if you have not considered subscribing yet, I really hope you do so. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your notification bell. That way you don't miss an upload from me. Okay, my friends, that's going to be it for this video. I really appreciate you all. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I did want to mention I will be taking a bit of a mental health break. I think about 30 days. I think that is always necessary, especially dealing with social media. It is always a good thing to decompress and come back just to get yourself together. So I will be doing that. So I will not forget about you guys. I will be back. Just don't unsubscribe. I'm coming back. But anyway, as always, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Until next time, my friends, take care.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it.